Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to mine Pi coins. First thing, go to the iOS App Store or Google Play Store, then search for the Pi network and download the official app. Make sure the app is legitimate and avoid scams. Open the app and choose register with your phone number or Facebook. You will need an invitation code. From an existing member to join. The invite-only approach helps build a trusted network. Once registered, click the Start Mining button. The app will mine Pi in the background without draining your phone's resources. You only need to check in daily to keep the mining session active. To boost your mining rate, invite friends. You get bonus rewards when your referrals start mining, or build a security circle. Add trusted members to your circle for a 20% bonus per member. And stay active. Log in regularly to maximize your earnings. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.